Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about failed opening on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on here as you see apps. Then you can click on Messenger app, you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.